Hello, I'm Clint Rowland, Field Applications Engineer for BK Technologies. Today I'd like to show you how easy it is to join an InteropONE incident. When your organization administrator adds your account, you will receive an invitation message to download the app and your organization ID number. Here you can see our organization ID number is 801675. Once I click on the link, you can download the app. Once downloaded, you can open the app, allow for notifications, and input your organization ID number. For authentication purposes, you'll also need to input your phone number. Once you've input your phone number, you'll receive a second text message with your activation number. Once you have input your activation number and you've been authenticated, you'll join InteropONE with your available incidences. To join an incident, simply press the Join button for the incident you wish to join. Allow your microphone. Once green, you have joined that incident. Select the incident itself to be taken to the incident detail screen. From here, you're provided with a larger push-to-talk button. There's an elapsed time that indicates the amount of time you've been joined to the incident. It will also display who's talking, you or other users. Clicking on the two-person icon displays the participant list of joining, pending, and disconnected users. And pressing disconnect will then disconnect you and return you to the incident main screen. Thank you for watching and consider subscribing for more videos.